Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to today's Blender Challenge. I would like you to be able to make something that falls from the sky. Today's register challenge was what would you replace water with if something weird could fall from the sky. So we're going to make a monkey fall from the sky in a weird kind of falling vortex like this. So first of all we need to practice different selection modes so that we can texture the monkey. I'm going to delete the cube by pressing X, Shift A to add a mesh and a monkey. There it is. Let's go to material mode and change the texture. So we add a new slot, we add a new material to the slot, and we can set it to a kind of monkey brown. There we go. Remember to right click and shade smooth, and we could just have that, but it is really helpful to practice applying different materials to your objects. So let's press tab to go into edit mode. Today we're going to use circle select. So that's A twice to select nothing, A once to select everything. It's just selecting all or nothing. And if you press C, then you can use your mouse wheel to get a circle around the middle of your mouse, and that lets you paint the selection, as in select what you want with the left mouse button or push the mouse wheel in to unselect. So now we know how to do that. Let's press escape to get rid of that circle, A twice to get rid of everything, and then just get the two eyes. However, I don't want the vertices, I want the faces, so I'm going to press 3 on the keyboard to get face mode, and let's try again. That's better. C for circle select, get these selected, escape, add a new material slot. I should name my materials, but I'm not because I'm in a rush. Bad practice. Oops, didn't mean to do that. What I did mean to do is assign that material. And then I want to split this, and I can't remember the keyboard shortcut, so F3 to search for it and search for subdivide. And it's split it down, so I can press A twice, C for circle select and get these bits, escape, add a new material slot, make it black and assign the current material to the selected nodes. There we go. I'm just going to do the same, so A to select all, A twice to select none, C for circle select, make it smaller and paint the nose. There we go. Pressing escape to get rid of the circle select. I'm going for a pink nose, if I can find pink on here. There we go, that'll do. So we've got a monkey. Now back in object mode, I want the monkey to fall from the sky. In order to do that, it's quite easy. We'll add something that it'll fall from. I'm going to Shift A, add a plane, S to scale, G, Z to move it up in the sky. Then we want a particle system. Can never remember where that is. I think it's there we go. This one? I think that's right. The one that looks like a blob with particles coming out of it. We'll add a particle system with the plus, and that's it really. It will now rain down things. By default it looks like snowballs. They're called halos. We just want the thing that is falling down, that's on the render selection, instead of being a halo, we want an object. And at this point, anything you can make in Blender, you can make come out as that particle system. So instead of render as, oh, in fact, no, it is object, I want the instance to be the Suzanne the monkey. There it is, we've got some falling monkeys. It doesn't look very good yet, because the monkey's too small. We should be able to change that, hopefully. Where's scale gone? Oh, here we go. Drag that across. And we can randomize the scale, so some monkeys are bigger. Tick to enable rotation, and randomize the rotation. We're almost there. I'm going to move the reference monkey out of the way, so we can't see that. And if we get close enough, the falling monkeys, yeah, look, they've got that textured eyes as well. Weird and disturbing. What's the last thing? Oh, we wanted a vortex. We want the monkeys to be blown around in the wind. So here we go. Shift A, add a, oh, where is it? A force field. You can choose any of these. I'm going to go for a vortex, and then let's G to grab, and then hopefully all of your monkeys are going to be kind of twisting and blowing away. You can rotate your vortex to be in a different direction with R. But that's it pretty much. We now have a storm of falling monkeys. Your challenge today is to have the most entertaining thing, suitably entertaining, not inappropriate, falling from the sky. See what you can do.